So, hello guys. So, welcome back again and today magla-live trade tayo. Okay, so yeah, live trade. Let's do. Let's go. Okay, so basically eto yung yung ila-live trade natin. So basically nakapag nakapag place na ako ng trade. Okay, so analyze na lang natin. Yeah. Nag So guys, nakapag-start na ako sa $10 challenge ko pala. Okay, so yeah. So ano guys, yung unang gagawin natin once nasa chart na tayo. Okay, so 'di ba identify natin yung trend. Okay, so ano yung market structure natin guys? So basically we have higher highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower highs, then lower lows, and then lower highs, lower lows, and then a lower highs, diba? So basically downtrend pa tayo. Okay, downtrend pa yung bias natin. Okay, delete muna natin guys. So mark out na lang natin siguro para mas okay. So we have here, mark out natin yung mga lower highs. Okay, we have higher highs and lower highs, and then another lower highs, and then yeah, lower highs, and then lower highs. Okay, so and then yung lower lows natin guys. Okay, so asan na ba yun? Lower lows, lower lows, lower lows, lower lows, and then lower lows, and then lower lows, and then lower lows, diba? So basically we have a higher highs kung saan yung nagsimula yung downtrend natin. Okay, so higher highs, lower lows, lower highs, and then lower lows, and then lower highs, another lower lows, and then another lower highs. Okay, and then lower lows, lower highs, and then lower lows, lower highs, and then another lower lows. Okay, so hello guys. So welcome back again. Okay, so putang ina, nag-intro ulit. So sa market structure natin, anong trend siya, 'di ba? So downtrend. Okay, so para makasigurado ulit, yeah, para makasigurado, anong gagawin is gamit tayo ng trend lines. Okay, so trend, boom. Anong pinipicture out ng trend lines guys? Pababa, 'di ba? Pababa siya. So another dito na naman. Okay, so eto guys, kumbaga fake breakout lang siya. Okay, fake breakout. So, kung bumaba man dyan, downtrend pa rin, diba? Diba? Ganun lang kasimple. So yeah, we have a what? Eto guys, kung hindi pa to literal na tawag dito, na change of character, kung sa smart money concept pa, hindi pa to mag-a-up. Okay, kasi kung sa smart money concept ka, turtle soup lang yan. Okay, turtle soup na kung magre-retrace lang and then bababa na talaga yan. Okay, so kung in reality talaga guys is kahit anong tawag dito, kahit anong strategy pa yan, gagawin ni market yung gusto niya. Okay, so ganun lang. Okay, so we have a what? We have a resistance dito, pero na-break siya, di ba? Kasi purong consolidation kasi nga December December 27, 2023, di ba? So yeah, dyan pwede din dito a set of ang tawag dito, resistance zone. Okay, we have a resistance zone. So bakit hindi lines yung gamit natin? Okay, Bakit box? Kasi kung lines guys is ano, ang tawag dito, kung lines lang, mag ang tawag dito, malabong ano guys, ang tawag dito, yung market talaga is kung magta-touch siya dyan, hindi talaga yan magre-reverse dyan. Okay, so magre-reverse yung market inside the zone. Okay, so yeah, and then yun, meron na tayong ano, resistance dyan. Okay, so sa resistance area, anong nangyari, di ba? So, asan na yun? Basically guys, ano to, sa $10 challenge to. Okay, so na-break niya, and then retest, and then bumaba ulit, di ba? And then nag-retest, and then bumaba, and then boom, ulit, di ba? So, para siyang nag-form ng shoulder, head, shoulder, pero ano, hindi siya perfect, pero ano guys, bias pa rin natin is downtrend, diba? So pangit yung shoulder, head, shoulder guys is hindi ganito, diba? Yung ganyan yung head, shoulder, okay, diba? Hindi yung ano, mataas dito, mas mataas dito, diba? So yeah, so we have market structure confirmation. Okay, we have market structure confirmation, trend lines confirmation, and then ano, resistance confirmation. Okay, dagdag na lang natin yan. Okay, so kung hindi ka pa talaga confident, okay, gumamit tayo ng counting indicators. So basically guys, hindi ako gumagamit ng indicators, pero ano, suggestible to sa inyo kung hindi pa kayo confident sa ano, sa paggagamit nyo ng trend lines or yung blank talaga na ano guys, chart. Kung hindi pa kayo confident yun, gumamit kayo ng indicators, which is si moving average exponential. Okay, and then sa past video natin, 'di ba, sinet up natin yun na 200 yung length, 'di ba? So guys, so ano, nasa baba ng 200 moving average, 'di ba? So sa past video natin, anong gagawin pag nasa baba? Magse-sell lang, okay? Magse-sell lang, 'di ba? So we have market structure confirmation, ano, market structure confirmation, trend lines confirmation, resistance confirmation, okay? Resistance confirmation, and then ano, and then 200 moving average, ano, 200 moving average confirmation. So gagamit tayo ng Fibonacci natin. So anong pangit, wait lang, pangit ng mag-retracement dito. So etong 78% ko is pinaka-strong yan, kaya minarkat ko dyan. Okay? Yung golden zone is 50% at 61% lang, di ba? So okay, nasa 61, 78 na siya. Okay, kung ma-break niya yung si 78, aangat na talaga yan. Okay, so guys, so that's why I take a sell here. Okay, kasi downtrend yung bias natin, and then as much as possible, makapag-capture tayo ng maraming pips, diba? So we have here 300 pips stop loss, yeah, 60 lang dito, 60 pips yung stop loss. So ganun lang kasimple, itong strategy. And dagdagan na lang natin tong ano, yung tawag dito, eto, stars mark out natin. Okay, so yung, di ba, then kung saan magre-reverse market, 200. Okay, so dyan pa lang guys, di ba, hindi na break ni market, so magre-reverse na talaga yan. Pag na-break niya yan, okay, mag-aangat na talaga yung ano tawag dito, aangat na talaga si market. Okay, so ano lang, kahit anong strategy pa yan guys, okay, kahit anong strategy yan, gagawin at gagawin ni market kung gusto niya. Walang perfect na strategy. Okay, so we have a din dito, engulfing, yeah, we have a shooting star, di ba? May shooting star din dyan. Okay, so waiting na lang tayo sa London session guys. Waiting na lang tayo sa London session. Okay, so once nag London session yan, bababa na talaga yan. Okay, so yun lang, peace out.